Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and use Target's gift card. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your mobile's browser, go to the search bar and type in target.com. Then you will be able to land on this kind of interface, right? Then what you gotta do is simply go ahead, tap on this human icon given, tap on it. Now you will get this all of the menu, right? Simply go ahead, tap on this gift cards menu option given right there, tap on this option. So now what you can do is tap on this plus icon alongside gift card, where you will add your gift card information and redeem or use your gift card there in Target. Actually, just go ahead, add in your card number, type in the access number that you get with your card, and simply go ahead. You can see then what you will do is simply go ahead, tap on this add option, and you will simply be able to use or redeem your gift card from Target right there. So yes guys, once you add in there, then you will simply be able to use or redeem that gift card for your shipping that you will do there in Target. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.